So this time it's Project DAC Box S USB. It has 3 inputs. This is the small selector for the inputs. On the back side here is the 3 inputs: an optical, a USB, and an electrical coaxial. It's powered by 9 volt DC, and it has a fixed output. The box is very solid. If I open it up, it really is a solid compartment. There's not much to it. The control board here in the front, and then the board here in the back. Let me make a close up here. Again, it's this is definitely a Brown chip. Oh, I didn't know that. Brown probably went together with Texas Instruments. That's also their logo there. I didn't know that. It's a simple build. There's not much to it, but the components looks okay. It seems like also there is space here that you can get things out, even though it's a surface mount component. I believe there is space and room for playing around with it, but that's not up to me to decide. I used this for my computer, but now I got another solution, so it's not that interesting anymore. The power supply is a standard one. You can replace the plug here, so I guess you can put on a UK connector or an American one. The input is 100 and 240 volt. So it's and that's 9 volt DC output. So now we know how it looks inside.